KA962 our flights to Hong Kong. This flight is operated in conjunction with Cathay Pacific, Japan Airlines and Malaysia Airlines. To our Marco Polo Club members, it is our pleasure to see you again. My name is Monita, your in-flight service manager. Captain Stephen Stock will take us back to Hong Kong in 3 hours and 30 minutes. If your electronic devices have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi functions, please ensure they are all in disabled mode at all times as they may interfere with aircraft instruments and systems. In-flight duty-free sales will be available after the meal service, and the service will be ended 30 minutes prior landing into Hong Kong. For product and promotion information, please refer to the in-flight shopping guide emporium in your seat pockets. And during turbulence, you will be notified through seatbelt signs or announcements. For your own safety, we recommend you to fasten a seatbelt over the blanket at all times so that we will not disturb you during the flight. Should you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to call on us. We look forward to making your journey a pleasant and comfortable one. Thank you. 各位乘客早晨，謹代表國泰港龍航空及全組機艙服務員，歡迎各位乘搭 KA692號環宇一家航班前往香港。本航班亦係國泰航空、日本航空以及馬來西亞航空嘅聯營航班。我哋更特別多謝馬可貝羅會成員，好高興喺國泰港龍航班上同你再次見面。我係 Monita 本航班嘅機艙客務經理。機長 Captain Stephen Stock 預計會喺大約3小時30分鐘之後帶我哋返到香港。如果閣下嘅電子用品附設藍牙或無線寬頻功能，請確保以上功能保持關上，以免影響機上儀器及系統運作。免稅品會喺餐前服務完畢後出售，而呢項服務會喺航機降落之前30分鐘結束。有關商品以及購物優惠嘅資料，請參閱耳袋裏面嘅購物指南 emporium。另外，飛行期間，我哋可能會遇到唔穩定嘅暖氣流，我哋會透過安全帶燈號或者係廣播通知閣下。而為咗閣下嘅安全及為免打擾閣下嘅休息，我哋建議乘客將安全帶扣於毛氈上。據報香港目前地面溫度攝氏31度。航機降落之前，如果再有進一步嘅消息，有關於抵達香港時間及當地嘅天氣狀況，我哋機長會再為大家廣播。喺旅途中，如有任何查詢，請向機艙服務員提出。我哋期待為你帶嚟一次舒適愉快嘅旅程。 Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong, where the local time now is 10:58 in the morning. There is no time difference between Hong Kong and Penang. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been turned off. Personal electronic devices may now be switched on. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you. For passengers continuing on Cathay Dragon and Cathay Pacific flights, please reserve time for security checks and arrive at the boarding gates at least 30 minutes before departure to avoid any disruption to your travel plan. It has been a pleasure looking after you and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for flying Cathay Dragon, an affiliate member of the One World Alliance. Thank you and good morning. 各位乘客，歡迎嚟臨香港，而家係當地時間早上10時59分。香港同檳城係冇時間嘅差別。為咗閣下嘅安全起見，請你繼續留喺座位，並保持安全帶扣好，直到扣上安全帶嘅信號燈熄滅為止。閣下而家可以開始使用個人電子用品。離開機艙時請帶齊所有隨身行李，避免遺留喺機上。需要轉乘國泰港龍或國泰航空嘅乘客，為免耽誤閣下嘅行程，請預留足夠時間進行安全檢查，並喺起飛之前最少30分鐘抵達登機閘口。我哋好高興為閣下服務，希望好快可以再同各位喺環宇一家嘅聯屬成員國泰港龍航班上見面。多謝，再見。